Herd immunity develops in measles, poliomyelitis. Antimicrobial agents which inhibit protein synthesis are chloramphenicol, streptomycin, clindamycin. Criteria of a screening test include acceptability, validity, repeatability. Healthy carrier occurs in salmonellosis, cholera. In EPI program, following vaccines are included: BCG, tetanus, hepatitis B virus, meningococcus. Field vaccines are plague vaccine, ARV, hepatitis B vaccine. Healthy carriers may be found in cholera, enteric fever. Herd immunity is applicable for poliomyelitis, measles. Cell, cell-mediated immunity involves the following: T lymphocytes, macrophages. The immunoglobulins transmitted from mother to fetus are immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A. Herd immunity does not protect the individual from rubella, pneumonia, smallpox, chickenpox. The CD4 cells are monocytes, T helper cells, macrophages. Healthy carriers occur in salmonellosis, cholera. Incubatory carriers include measles, influenza, hepatitis. Active immunity of an individual develops as a result of infection by a specific vaccination, immunity specific for a particular disease. Epidemic borne diseases, diabetes, hypertension, cholera. Passive immunization is useful in the following infections: hepatitis B, rabies. Prevalence increases if incidence increases, recovery decreases. Infectious communicable diseases are measles, enteric fever. Features of black water fever are destruction of RBC, complication of falciparum malaria, vector-borne primary disease manifested by hemoglobinuria. Organisms used as biological weapon are Ebola virus, Bacillus anthracis, Yersinia pestis, botulinum toxin. Autoinfection occurs in Enterobius vermicularis, Taenia solium, Hymenolestis nana. আরো আছে Cryptosporidium parvum, Strongyloides tarcolaris. Neglected tropical diseases include dengue, hemorrhagic fever, Kala-Azar, lymphatic filariasis. Vaccines preventable viral diseases are poliomyelitis, rubella. Antimicrobial resistance is concerned with approved action plan for AMR contaminant in Bangladesh, prudent use of antibiotic in hospital, AMR under One Health. Virus transmitted through organ transplantation are cytomegalovirus, rhabdovirus. The whole list: Treponema pallidum, Listeria monocytogenes, Toxoplasma gondii, malaria, Kala-Azar, rubella, cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex virus 2, parvovirus B19, hepatitis B, sometimes HIV, Zika virus, dengue. Sexually transmitted infections are syphilis, trachoma, gonorrhea. Opportunistic fungi are Candida albicans, Cryptococcus neoformans. Opportunistic fungus: Candida albicans, A. fumigatus, C. neoformans, Mucor, Rhizopus, Pneumocystis carinii, now called Xerovesi. Endemic diseases of Bangladesh include malaria, dengue, Kala-Azar. Congenital defects may be caused by rubella, cytomegalovirus infection. Others are rubella virus, cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex virus, varicella virus, toxoplasmosis, syphilis, others parvovirus B19, HIV, Zika. Viruses transfer through placenta but does not cause fetal malformation. Hepatitis B, C, Coxsackie B, measles, mumps.